Jamaica. She find a man in a Jamaica.
you found me. I'm joking.
No.
I found you. You see, I finally say it, guys. He finally said it. Find you. Not a year that I made find that is he.
Don't worry.
It was like
that.
finding Waldo.
No worry about that. But it's still there.
So someone was commenting on my video saying how they're a new subscriber and they're kind of confused because they don't know who's who or like what's what. So I'm Nisha. I'm the mother of the NewbyFam. This is Ziggy, aka Ziggy Bear. I know we're walking the opposite with the sun.
I'm the newbyfamtv.
My aunt.
Boy.
We are husband and wife. We've been together for 4 years. We met in Jamaica. Little one here was born this year. We've been married for a year. What else do you guys want to know? Some of the people you guys see on my channel is my dad, aka Chef Mike, my sister Shauna Banana, my other little sister Keisha. You don't see my brother. And yeah, my husband migrated from Jamaica to Canada. He officially lives here. And that's just a quick synopsis of us, you know. Because I know, I mean, like, we have videos on our story if you really want to go back and watch. But
Right now I'm gonna make you go back.
Yeah.
Make you watch this and get to know the whole thing. Ting-a-ling-a-ling.
just a quick little update to fill you guys in. So that's basically us, the NewbyFam.
Part of us.
Part of us, yeah.
You know what I mean? Hey, look there, it's dark.
It's dark because the sun is this way.
Yeah, it looks better.
So I never did an update on this stroller, guys. I posted us putting it together, but to be honest, like, it's not a bad stroller, but it has some ups and downs, some pros and some cons that I need to share with you guys. Because I just know I said I was gonna do an update. I'm using the Maxi Cosi. What about it? Okay, so this is the toddler part, and I mean, well, like the infant toddler part. It has 3 levels to it, so you can adjust the straps. The straps are really adjustable, and it also comes with this, which is really convenient, comfy for the kids. And the strap right here for between their legs. It's really soft, it's really cushioned up, really warm actually. And the same thing with the car seat. The car seat is really cushioned up. Like, I don't have to put extra layers on with Natla because she'd be sweating to how cozy it is and how warm it is as well. And it also has this part, you know, to keep them in. It does not have a tray. Like, you don't have like that little snack tray thing. It doesn't have that. What else? So then this adjusts, it goes up and down to kind of extend it for a little, which is convenient. For me, I'm short, so I kind of keep it here. Or sometimes if I feel like my arm needs an extra extension, I'll just raise it up. It's also useful for Ziggy because he is a little taller than me. What else? Okay, so this is the bassinet part. At the bottom, it's really big, convenient for when you have your big baby bag, your shopping bags, whatever you want to put in there. For the wheels, you can also change how stiff you want it to be, if that makes sense. Because I remember the first time I got it, I was pushing it and I'm like, holy shit, I'm bringing the stroller back because I was pushing it and it was moving weird. Like, the wheels are moving really stiff. But what I never knew is that you can actually adjust it. So you can kind of like loosen up the wheels by just switching that. The wheels are... They're rubber. The wheels are rubber, which is a good thing. I was trying to stay away from plastic. So the wheels are rubber. Well, they feel like rubber, but this part is plastic. So as I was saying before, the bassinet this part comes off, but the only thing I don't like about it is that if I'm switching from this toddler part to the car seat, I gotta take off the adapter parts. So I have to put in a whole new adapter just to put in the car seat, which is really inconvenient and really annoying. So it's like we have to walk with both adapters, and the adapters are small, so you can easily lose them in the car. To be honest, you can easily lose them anywhere. So that's another downfall about this stroller. Another downfall is that the back wheels are huge. Like, it's so wide that it can't fit through certain stuff. So if you're pushing it in the store, it'll get stuck, or like it'll be banging on stuff. When we went to go downtown, we had this stroller. We were trying to go on the transit on the train. It actually wouldn't fit through the little space that you used to step up to go on the train. So that's another downfall. Like, back here is just overly wide, which I get it. Like, I guess it gives you enough bottom space, but it didn't have to be that wide because it just kind of puts you into a little inconvenient. So this does come with the ow, shit, man. This does come with a little shade part. I just kind of wish that it extended more. And there's a little part right here for breeze to go in, or if you can see them if it's this is turned the other way, because you can turn it facing this way and you can turn it facing the other way. What else? With the car seat going onto this, it was really hard at first to kind of figure out how you take it off. It took us like a good 20 minutes to get off. And this was like when I just had her. We were in the mall trying to figure it out. We were asking people until we finally figured it out. It's like 2 little buttons that we found. And what else about this? This does go back. It can lay back and it can go up more if she wants to sit up more. And these parts I think are like metal, but they scratch very easy. But that is basically the stroller. It's not bad, as I said before. I just don't know if I would recommend it to anyone. The price range is okay. It's not bad. And I mean, for a first time mom, the stroller is not bad, but the only thing I really and truly don't like about it is the back space is wide, and me having to switch the adapters if I'm using the car seat versus the toddler part. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. You're not gonna wave. Look. Say hi. Hi. Not gonna do it today? Hi. Hi.
Yo. Look bushy. Cushy. Wagwan. Let's see, look on him. On a deal with. Months now, me no come on the camera, you know. Yo, me charge, Wagwan, everything good. I'm gonna big up on yourself. They are play some FIFA, you know, from when me I try to catch a Division 2. To show you how long man I struggling at. What they say? No long me there. I've been grinding, dog. Trust me. Can't go nowhere.
Why can't this have been working hard?
They are Division 2 and each of they come and try to kill off everything, you know. I have to score a couple goals to go through, but I go through still.
They don't care.
You know?
Who
no,
cares?
I have to talk too, no, because when you see what I do, you know. You see me?
So, yo, let me show you
Every
guys.
day I will have vibes.
Give you guys a preview of the t-shirt on Tang. Hold on. So, yo, guys, remember how we said we were going to do up some t-shirts, but we didn't really get to, like, the official design yet, but we got one for just us for now, just to see how they would look. So I'm gonna show you guys one that we got for Nyla. This is the baby one. It says NewbyFamtv and it says subscribe on the back. So this one's Nyla's. We didn't get to wear them yet to like fully show you guys how they look, but this is what it's looking like. Let us know down below what you guys think. Should we change anything? Should we keep it? Let us know your guys' feedback down below. I finally got a camera and I was playing around with it. But the reason why I'm not using it right now is because I'm waiting on my memory card. Because the memory card I have, I don't know why it's not taking it. Like it keeps saying it's full, but there's nothing on it.
So rude.
What? You
Man,
see her standing?
Hey! What that? What that?
Yeah, so I was debating between the Sony Canon M100, M50, and the G7. I ended up just sticking with the M100 just because I feel like right now there's no point of me spending like a tons of money on a camera because I'm not fully vlogging like how I want to be vlogging. I feel like when I know I'm like consistent to the T, that is when I'm gonna like officially step it up and be like, yes, I need to get this. Got the Canon M100 and it is, well, I haven't really tried it out yet, but hopefully it will work and do what I need it to do in the meantime. Next thing, what's today? Today's Sunday. We went to church today, came home, I took a 2-hour nap because I was just tired and Ziggy was on daddy duty.
As always.
Boy, bye.
As always.
And we're just here kind of like chilling out. I need to go wash my hair because I did a wash ago and it was the biggest fail in life. Like, I don't know what this is. Like, where are my curls? I have no idea. And my hair like literally shrunk into up here. But yeah, we haven't really been up to much lately. I'm just kind of chilling. I'm about to go take up some dinner to eat because I'm hungry. So quick update on Nyla. Nyla is officially 8 months. She is pulling herself up. She's standing, like she'll hold on to you and like let go. She's into everything. You know what time I folded this laundry and she's just been pulling it up. That's a sign I need to go move it into its right place. Say hi to the people. She loves the camera. Loves the camera. Say hi. Come say hi. You're not gonna wave? Okay. And she's rude. She's very rude. What else is she doing? She's crawling from like long time ago. She is whenever like Ziggy has her in the day and I'm gone. Like for my placement or whatever. She won't really take the breast milk, but she's really more into solids. So she eats a lot of like sweet potato, her cereals. I bought like these little chips that she can now have that she's 8 months that she likes. They're like these Rice Krispie things. I have to show you guys. She loves these and so do I. They are so good. This one is the strawberry apple flavor and it's so good. And I bought the banana one. I need to go try it because yo, every minute I'm like dipping and eating these. They're so good. What else? I'm not really buying too much of the Gerber in the containers anymore, like the pre-made food, because she doesn't really like them. The only one that she really likes is mango and apple. Her number one things right now is mango and applesauce. Because just now I just bought a blueberry, green peas, and something else, and she's kind of like, but that's just a quick update on her. She talks a lot. She tries to talk. Her favorite thing to do is like, let me see if I can get her to do it.
Girl, all of them are more than me.
That's anyone that calls us on FaceTime, she's quick to go to the phone like she knows what's going on. What do you think? And she loves to bite. There, she's doing it. Yeah. Whisper, look. She did it just now. I don't know if you guys heard it, but yeah. So I'm about to go start my dinner. I don't know what Ziggy's gonna do. But like I said earlier, make sure you guys let us know how you guys feel about the shirts. Like, share your insights. Should we change this? Should we change that? Should we keep the font? We wanted to do some saying Akura Wanel, and we're thinking if we should do it in like in regular fonts so that it doesn't look too much. But like I said, just let us know down below what you guys think. Oh, and she also has 4 teeth, 4.5. And the reason why I say 4.5 is because she has 2 fully at the bottom, 2 at the top, and there's 1 coming at the side. And she still kind of like wakes up often in the night, but I strongly believe it's because of her teething. Why? You can just tell when it's their teeth because they start playing with their mouth or like, you know, and all that stuff. So
boy, turn on your mic. I'm shooting in your face. Yeah. Can't run pretty bad fast.
anyways, I'm gonna go take out some food.